I'll talk about the production possibility curve, or the production possibility frontier. So the production possibility curve is also referred to as the production possibility frontier. So what is this production possibility curve? The production possibility curve is the curve that shows the production possibility of a certain economy. So this curve can be used to answer some problems or questions that are faced by an economy. So the definition of the production possibility curve, this is the curve that shows this is the curve that can be used to show the production possibility of an economy. Then this curve can be used to answer some problems or the questions that are faced by some economies or some countries. Then when you're drawing this production possibility curve, there are four things that you need to take into consideration. The first thing is that you need to ensure that the factors of production are constant. That is the first thing that you need to consider. Then the second thing that you need to consider is that these factors of production, they must be fully and effectively utilized. Then the third factor that you need to consider when drawing this production possibility curve, you need to ensure that technology is kept constant, because if technology changes, there will be a shift in the production possibility curve. And the last factor that you need to take into consideration when drawing the production possibility curve, you need to assume that you are producing two types of goods. So we can assume that an economy is producing either wheat or maize, or it's producing either bread or meat. So those are the four factors that you need to take into consideration when drawing the production possibility curve. Then when you draw your production possibility curve, the points that will be along the production possibility curve, they represent they represent effective points. So this means that these are the points where the resources, they are fully and effectively utilized. Then the point inside the production possibility curve, it's referred to as an effective point. This is because at this point the economy is underutilizing its resources or not employing its resources. So the point inside the production possibility curve means that the economy is underutilizing its resources, or it is not employing its resources. Then the point outside the production possibility curve is referred to as an attainable point, or the point that cannot be reached. This is because for the economy to reach this point, it needs to increase the production possibility of both goods. So for example, if we have drawn the production possibility curve of maize and wheat, and we want to reach a certain point outside the production possibility curve, you cannot reach that point because you need to increase the production of both goods, which is impossible. This is because when you increase the production of one good, you're going to reduce the production of the other good. So, then I'm going to show you an example of how the production possibility curve looks. So this is how it looks. So this is the production possibility curve. So you can see on this production possibility curve, point A, B, C, D and E, they represent effective points. So which means these are points where the resources are effectively and fully utilized. Point J inside the production possibility curve is referred to as an effective point. This is because the economy at this point is underutilizing its resources or not employing its resources. And point H is referred to as an attainable point. This is because this is the point at which the economy cannot reach. That's all about the definition on the production possibility curve.